Hey guys, this is Mohit Agarwal here and how are you all? I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. This video I am making for my lovely CMA students. Yes, on your request, I am coming with a fast track batch of law and ethics for CMA Inter students. This fast track batch of CMA Inter Law and Ethics is going to consist of 40 classes and it is going to be of approximately 75 hours. Okay, now what is the difference between regular batch and the fast track batch? In regular batch, everything is covered in great details. Okay, apart from exam orientation, we cover each and every concept by digging it thoroughly. Okay, and what happens in fast track batch? The motive of the fast track batch is just to fetch you good marks in examination. So very crisp and only exam oriented manner the studies will be going on, but 100% syllabus will be covered in these 40 classes of approx 75 hours, right? If you haven't prepared well, now who should opt for this fast track batch? Those who are unable to clear in the previous terms, or those who have taken tuitions at somewhere else, okay, but they are not satisfied with the concepts, then they should opt for the fast track batch. Or even those students who have done the regular batch in quite past, okay, not in recent past, in quite past, and they have forgotten the concept, so they should join the fast track batch. So all the students are invited to join the fast track batch because the fees is very nominal, and we are going to, and this fast track batch is available for October 21 and December 21. You heard it right. Even for the October 21 students, they can join the fast track batch, and even for December 21 students. So October 21, December 21, आ जाओ फटाफट fast track batch of law and ethics में धूम मचाएंगे. The fees is very nominal. Let me tell you. Yes, regular batches are also available. If anyone wants regular batch of our CMA courses, they can surely opt for those. But it is a new offering at MEPL, the fast track batch of CMA Inter Law and Ethics. Okay, and I welcome you that you should join this fast track batch very fast, guys, very fast, because we are going to take only 500 admissions in the fast track batch, and let me give you the details of this batch. And yes, these are the rank holders of CMA, and you have to make sure that you also join this Jabardast Wala League, okay, elite league. तो fast track batch में आपको course में जाना है. Go to the classes, go to the categories. In categories you will be choosing your course CMA Inter. In CMA Inter you choose fast track. Okay, जैसे आप फास्ट ट्रैक को क्लिक करेंगे आपको यहां पर दिखाई देगा CMA Inter Law and Ethics. फीस only 3990 है, 3990, not 4200, because once you click this 4200 fees, okay, and yes, the lectures are available in live at home. The lectures will be live at home, and within 12 hours you will be getting the recording in your Google Drive also. Okay, so live at home lectures are there, Google Drive, pen drive, and mobile app. You will be able to watch in mobile also or Windows also, as per the option that you select. Views will be 2.5. Why 2.5? One view while watching live at home. Yes, this batch, fast track batch, is a live at home batch. So one view directly you can watch at live at home, and 1.5 views backup. Matlab same class you can watch 2.5 times. I guarantee you, same class you won't have to watch more than one time, but just for your mental satisfaction, same class you can watch for 2.5 times if you choose live at home. And we are only going to select 500 students for this live at home fast track batch, so don't miss the bus, don't miss the opportunity, right? And the batch is starting from 6th of September, and the syllabus will be completed on 13th of October. Okay, so even those students who are having October exams or December 21 exams, this fast track batch is going to do wonders for you. 40 classes, 4 books, 75 hours approx, start 6 September, completes on 13th October. By almost in 1 or 2 days the batch is going to get full, so make sure the moment you are seeing this video you are booking your seat right now. And the fees will be 3990, because 4200 fees was before the promo code. Once you apply the promo code MEPL10, the fees will be further slashed down to 3990. It's a very nominal fees. And yes, this fees is with the soft copy of the 4 mats, exhaustive mats. Validity will be 4 months, because till December 21 you are getting this. And for hard copy students, if you want hard copy, then hard copy you can buy at an extra cost. Okay, and once you click enroll now, you can see the promo code will be applied at the time of checkout. So click checkout, fill up the details. Once you fill up the details, you can apply the promo code MEPL10, and the fees will be 3990. So grab the opportunity, boys and girls, grab the opportunity. Okay, don't miss the opportunity. And yes, mission audit for all the intermediate students. Mission audit starts on YouTube. It's an audit revision. It's a free YouTube revision. I'll be taking approximately 4 to 5 revision classes of audit to boost your preparation. Every day 9 p.m. on Mohit Agarwal YouTube channel. Every day 9 p.m. starting from 1st of September. Okay. And this batch is going to get full prior to that. So make sure you are enrolling yourself in this fast track batch. It is going to do wonders for you. Okay. So don't miss the opportunity, boys and girls, and do like the video and share the video with the entire CMA fraternity. जितना efforts आपके लिए किया जाए उतना कम है, but कम से कम आप भी थोड़ा सा तो efforts हम लोग के लिए कर सकते हैं, right? The batch is going to be in a language of Hindi and English. Okay. Notes will be obviously in English and the lectures that I'll be explaining will be both in Hindi and English. Okay, sir. तो फटाफट आ जाओ. Who will join the batch? I've already told you who should join the batch. जिन लोग satisfied नहीं है अपने पुराने ट्यूशन से, they should join. If you are unable to clear in the first attempt, they should join. Those who have forgotten the concepts, they should join. Okay. So it's so what is the difference between revision batch and fast track batch? Revision batch में कभी भी 100% सिलेबस नहीं होता, उसमें 10% टॉपिक्स का रिविजन होता है, बट फास्ट ट्रैक बैच में 100% सिलेबस होगा. इसमें 100% आपका सिलेबस होगा इन क्रिस्प मैनर. ओके, चलो. सो एग्जामिनेशन इज गारंटीड. जस्ट ज्वाइन दिस फास्ट ट्रैक बैच. लॉट्स ऑफ लव. टेक केयर. बाय बाय. Do like the video and share the video.